It is mid-July and still millions of people are waiting for their tax refunds, specifically people who filed paper tax returns. So what's behind the delay? Consumer reporter John Matteries looked into how much longer people will have to wait and what you can do to avoid similar delays down the road.
Rick Owens had a dream.
Oh, he was thinking about getting a pool installed right in this area.
Building a $2,000 above-ground pool this summer, like the one his neighbor has, with his tax refund. So he mailed his paper return on February 5th, but 5 months later, nothing.
We haven't heard anything. My wife checked on the computer. We didn't even know if they received it in the mail.
He called the IRS's toll-free number, but
That was impossible. We couldn't talk to anybody.
as of July 1st, the IRS had a backlog of nearly 10 million unprocessed paper returns.
Experts say in a normal year, a paper return adds a few weeks to your processing time, not the 4, 5, or 6 months some people are seeing right now.
The IRS is facing the same challenges that many companies are. People can't go to work or choose not to go to work.
Mark Stieber with Jackson Hewitt says the best way to avoid these long delays is to file electronically.
It's faster, it's safer, you get your money quicker, you get your tax return processed quicker.
There are some cases when you have to file a paper return, such as in cases of identity theft. But of the 17 million people who file on paper, Mark says a majority do so by choice. Mark says if it's been more than 4 weeks, check the IRS tool, Where's My Refund? Nothing there may be a problem. So visit a tax professional who may be able to check the status of your return. Watch for IRS notices in the mail, and remember, accuracy counts. Good news, after we spoke with Rick Owens, he finally got a notice his refund is on the way, but it's too late for that pool. Next year, he's going to
E-file, yeah.
He suggests everyone file electronically so you don't waste your money. I'm John Matteries.